Okay, so we have this great view. And we were hanging out together, and we got another one over here, right there. So there's 3 of us. And what we're gonna be doing is walking around this little circuit. And just to give you a little context, we're basically up at Guia Hill, which is the biggest hill in Macau. And we're just going to, you can see all the views. So we're gonna see views from time to time. And our main goal is just to walk this way. And there's also like, people will be running and doing exercises, and we'll catch all that stuff too. So it should be kind of interesting. And there's kind of like rings, so I think we'll see where we go, but ultimately we're gonna go up there, but we might not go up there in this particular video. So okay, let's get started. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Oh yeah, one more time. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we are going to walk around the circuit, and we got some nice views, and we got some friendly people as well. Hello. So nice little interaction there. So actually she was watching my kids and had a big smile, didn't she? So that's why I said hello to her, because her smile was so big and she was watching you guys. So it's like, so actually this is where we're at, the Municipal Park of the Colina de Guia. And we could take these trails up, but there's a lot of cool stuff just on this little circuit. So I think what we're gonna do instead is just show you, we'll just kind of walk. Actually, this goes in little rings, goes in a big circle. And I haven't been up here in a while, and of course it's great for kids. Where's those kids at? Anyways, there they are. One. Where's the other one at? She's way back there. She's gonna run up real quick. See if I can catch her. Okay, so anyways, she's gonna jump in front of the camera. 1, 2, 3.
Bill!
Whoa! This is a nice little backdrop for. Oh, yeah, there we go. There's a cable car right there. There's 2 of them. So actually, these cable cars, they go up to the top. So we were able to capture them a little bit right there. Actually, it's funny because I think usually, because you know, when you're with kids, usually you end up in the cable cars, so you go over top of this spot. So it's not very often that I'm on this ring road. I'm usually either at the bottom or at the top. Some exercises.
I did it! I've been learning it for a month.
It's better than me. I couldn't do it. Okay. I would like to do some exercises, but I think
my brother stole my drink. Like and subscribe to help me get my drink back.
Oh, he's gonna drink it all. We got some nice views down that way, and some trails up there as well.
Thanks for liking and subscribing. I got my drink back.
Ooh, that's a good thing they liked it. And subscribed. I need some more. I don't say it often enough, so.
I hate to tell you. I hate to say it.
Okay. So we actually got some nice exercises equipment. Uh-oh. Sometimes when he sees somebody jogging, he'll jog with them sometimes. Which could surprise some people. I like how they do the exercises.
I like these.
Yeah, actually those ones would be kind of interesting, the monkey bars. So I don't know if you want to try those or not, but
also, have you seen our video where we went to Hexa training? Oh wait, no, exercise trails? I think that's the right name.
yeah, you have to answer that question in the comments below. as well as
Make sure, because
subscribe as well.
Subscribe.
So actually, this one looks like they have some.
This is what Kuya likes to eat.
Oh, he likes to eat those ones. Tyler, do you like these?
Kuya, do you like those? You do like
I don't know.
I remember in the Philippines when he ate a whole pack of that.
Really?
Yeah.
And they're edible, I guess, eh?
I'm pretty sure.
I guess they must be if he's still alive.
Yeah, he is.
I usually never eat anything I see in the forest. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking around a little bit more, seeing more stuff. And of course, when you're with kids, they like to exercise a lot. And they need it because that way they get tired out and they can sleep better at nighttime. So let me kind of show you. So basically this will keep on going around and oh, we got the row machine. I kind of want to do that row machine.
Dad, you should try this one. This is good.
Okay, you have the camera?
Try it. Let's see if you can do it. You can look at that. You can see that face. He's really putting work on it. And here's Guia. Hi, Guia. Say hi.
I'm really rowing.
Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the shore.
It's a big storm.
Merrily, 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 merrily.
Gotta get to shore. Gotta get to shore. Gotta get to shore. Come on. We can do it. Hey, am I even on camera? I'm looking at the camera, but I'm not looking into it. It looks like the camera's in different areas, like you're on a ship too.
There's even someone trying to help.
I think when you hold the camera, it's like you're on the ship as well as I'm on the ship.
I'm on the ship too.
Actually, this is actually really nice. I could do this all day.
I'm on the boat too. Wow.
If people watch this video later, they're gonna be so dizzy.
Let's see what's going on here. Happy.
We're gonna keep on going before we get into silliness of the camera. Okay, jump off there.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, jump off. Okay. So, all right. Oh, actually, so this street right here is that goes down into all the main stuff down that way.
Dad, I found another QR code.
Oh yeah.
Let's play a game. Who can find the most QR codes?
They're kind of everywhere. You want to hold the camera for a second?
Yep.
And I'm gonna.
Come here. Can I do the QR code?
I'm gonna come up. So bring the camera over here, and you can bring closer to the camera. And then I'm gonna do the QR code, right? And now we can see exactly what it is. So this one says Chinese banyan. And
Wow.
and if I do it in Chinese, in English, or this says Avore de Pagode. And then in Chinese, there's also the Chinese one as well. You got them all on the camera?
Yep, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. So basically in English, I just call it a banyan tree.
I only know one word that the Chinese said, that it said in Chinese.
Yeah?
Shu.
Shu?
It says something shu.
Something shu.
Shu means tree.
Shu means tree? I didn't know that.
Also wrong pronunciation, but I don't mind.
So we're kind of surrounded by shu everywhere, eh?
Yes.
What if you have a lot of shua? What do you call it if you have like a ton of shua?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I found 10. I found 10.
If we have shua everywhere, what do you call it? Shuas? They make a little joke.
有好多樹啊.
Oh. What do you call it again?
We don't add S to like things so we just say 有好多樹. It means there is so many trees.
Oh, there's so many trees. How do you say it one more time?
有好多樹
Oh.
So many trees.
There are a lot of trees. Oh, there's a squirrel up, come running up there.
I love squirrels. They're so cute
Yeah,
and fast.
they are fast.
Bye, Papa.
And let me see. We got a lot of people running on these trails as well. So I think I'm just going to bring the camera over here real quick. And actually, we can do lots of other QR codes.
Don't drop it.
And basically from here, I'm just going to look into this a little bit. And actually, we can see all these different angles of different stuff. So there's some scaffolding. I think that's mainland China over on that side. I don't exactly recognize exactly where we are. Oh, I think this is a reservoir.
Here's the Chigrassi.
Oh yeah, we checked out that the other day.
Yeah.
Together we looked at these trees with the QR codes.
There's the fruits, the tiny ones.
And they had like blooms at this time of year. Chigrassi. And I think over there, actually I do recognize that. This is a reservoir right over there. And there's a bunch of construction, and then on the other side of that reservoir you can see parts of China and such as well. Okay, so on that note, we are gonna end.
Part 2?
Yeah, we're gonna end part 2. So okay.
Part 1, we might make part 2 maybe.
So yeah, we're basically just giving you a little sample of this outer ring trail, and we got the label as well. So we're gonna take a little break, and we're gonna do another part of this whole trail.
The next part is gonna be part 2. See you next time.
That's right. So part 1 was part 1's the Guia Hill Tunnel up here, and then part 2 is up here.
The next one is the third one.
Next one will be the third one.
Bye bye.
Dun, dun, dun. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.